Howard, what's going on, man? Hey, I want to show you a couple of chords that are real easy. I promised you I was going to help you, so I'll give you some help here. These are 4 chords that you can play easily, and there's a lot of different ways to play any one chord. So if you see other pictures of G and other pictures of E minor 7 and whatnot, there's a lot of different ways to do these things. This is a real easy way because in these chords that I'm getting ready to show you, this finger can stay right here. The 3rd finger can stay on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string the whole time. So this chord is G, and then you want to try to leave that finger there, and well, actually leave both these fingers here for now and just move these over one string like this. Try to learn to do it in tandem. At first you might have to do it one at a time, but try to learn to do it together. And this chord is called C add 9. When you strum C add 9, try to only strum 5 strings. That's going to be pretty important, man. You just want to hit 5 strings. You don't want your pick to hit this big string when you're strumming C add 9. Some of us put our thumb up here and mute that string so that if our pick does hit it, it's alright. And for the next chord, D, you can leave this finger, the 3rd finger here. You put your 1st finger on the 2nd fret and your 2nd finger also on the 2nd fret. So these 2 are here on the 2nd fret, and this one's in the middle of them on string number 2, fret number 3. You're going to strum 4 strings only for D. So you want to make sure that your pick only hits 4 strings. And with any chord, make sure all your strings are ringing clearly. If they're not, you can figure out what's going on there. And the last chord, again, we're going to leave this finger here. You're going to put one finger right here on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, okay? You can leave this here, as I mentioned. If you want to, you can put your pinky here. You don't have to. You can put your pinky on the 3rd fret, but you don't have to. This is called E minor 7, and you can strum all of your strings. So those chords are G, C add 9. I'm going to go to E minor 7 now, and D. You can do them in any order you want to and just have fun playing with those chords, man. I hope that helps you a lot. I'll make you another video soon, Howard. Good luck, man. Talk to you later.